Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Naresh from Brain Booster Institute. So welcome to EMATH program. So first of all, I would like thanks to everyone, those who have subscribed our channel and many parents and students and neighbors and friends are supporting me a lot. So thanks for everyone. So also I'm requesting you please subscribe our channel if you're watching our channel at first time. So please subscribe and please like it and please share it to your friends and neighbors and family members, everyone. So let's start our lesson. So as a part of EMATH program, now today we are going to learn an amazing division trick. So which can be useful to divide any number with 125. Largest number of digits also can be taken. So let's see our lesson now. So welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to learn the given number 89 lakhs 64,387 divided by 125. We need to find the value of this division in within the 5 seconds now. Is it possible? Then if you ask me, surely it will, I will say the answer, it is possible now. Let's see how it is possible, then see now. Here only there are two steps. Within the two steps, we can solve this now. No need of dividing 125 directly. Only just first step, we need to multiply the given number with 8, and the second step, we need to divide with 1000. That's it. Within the 5 seconds, we can complete now. Let's see the first step. First, multiply the given number with 8. Let us multiply the given number with 8 now. So the given number I'm writing now 8964 and 387 into 8 by, now let us multiply 8 7 the 56, now 8 8 the 64 plus 5 69, now 8 3 the 24 plus 6 30, now 8 4 the 32 plus 3 35, now 8 6 the 48 plus 3 51. Now 8 9 ja 72 plus 5 77. Now 8 8 is 64 plus 7 71. Yeah, we have got 77171 and 5096. We have got here. Means almost 7 crores 17 lakhs and 15,900 sorry 96 we have got here. Okay, so let's do the second step now. Yeah, let's see the second step. The step two, see, divide the result with 1000. So whatever we got the result in the step one, please divide with 1000 now. Let's divide now. The result is 7171 and 5096, means 7 crores 17 lakhs 15,096 we have got here. Let's divide with 1000. I think everyone is perfect. So in dividing of 1000, let us divide with 1000. As there is three zeros in the denominator, let us put the point before the 100 digit now. Now let's see what do we get here. 71715 means 71,715.096 is the final answer. Simple, very simple. Only just multiply with 8, and the second step just divide with 1000. Was it awesome? So you can also try the problem, any problem, irrespective of digits. Any disease you can take, you can divide with the 25. You follow just these two steps. Even practice well. I already told you, practice makes man's perfect and woman's perfect. So by practicing, you will get faster than the calculator. So please practice this all the steps. Surely you will get now. So thank you very much for watching this. If you are not at subscribe, please subscribe our channel and please like it and please share it to your friends. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching this channel. So if you like this video, please subscribe and please like it and please share it to your friends here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Your mom and study. Thank you.